Okay, in order to take this pad off, you're going to have to undo these screws here. There's 4 of them, and you're going to need a T15 star screw bit. So this is a T15. It's the only one I have. It's really tiny. You can get bigger ones, but basically you're just going to back it out, just like that. And then this pops right on out. All right, so this is the replacement that I'm going to be using, and this works with my Festool, and it comes with everything you need inside. It has the little screws, and here's the pad. And let me show you the difference. This is the new one, and this is the old one. Now, you can see that this is heated down and it's like melted over time, and these are still prickly. So over time what happens is the pad heats up and it melts little things that stick onto the back, and you can see here these are nice, have some nice ridges, and it's really great, and these barely have anything. So that's why we're replacing this, and it's been about 2 years actually since I bought this, so this is the first time I'm replacing it. Okay, so here we go. It gets a little tricky. I have the 4 screws. It has a little indexer. So there are the threads, and then there's these little pieces here that index, and you got to get them perfectly aligned. And what's hard is it gets a little tricky because this thing moves around on you. So I imagine just like hold it by the edge here and try and just get it in, and it'll seat. And then what you want to do is just plop those in the little hole. I would do one at first, and just screw that in, and then you got one in, and now you can just kind of go around and do the rest of them. I would just plop them in like this. And there it's tightened. And then here's the last one. So there you go. You have a fully installed new pad. And look at that. Look how nasty that old one was compared to this new one. And I have a pad here, and it sticks really great. And this is the old one. It sticks, but it's not as good. All right, so let's go use this. All right, guys, well, I hope you learned how to replace your old pad with a brand new one. This thing will last a long time. Mine lasted for about 2 years, and I used the heck out of this thing. I probably should have replaced it sooner. All right, well, if you like this video, consider subscribing. I always like to provide you guys with helpful tips and tricks. Till next time, I'll see you later.